Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have an unboxing. You know, the funny thing is I just did a video which I don't know which one will go out first, probably those videos, and I just did a video about stop shopping and girls doing an unboxing right now. So if you follow my live stream, you'll know what this is. So you gotta follow my live stream every Sunday morning Singapore time, 9 AM. If you can't resist, don't press forward to find out what this item is. Do what we used to do, those good old unboxing videos where we slowly open the box, we slowly show you the items. So you miss those kind of unboxing videos. I know all of us want to know what this item is, but you know, a bit of suspense, okay? Just hold on, alright? Hold on, don't forward, okay? Why be in the rush? Just enjoy the moment, like how I'm enjoying the moment right now. So let me just show you. This is the big box it came with. This is the big paper bag that it came with. And I was like, oh my gosh, is that a bigger paper bag? Can you have like a bigger paper bag? It came with the ribbon, and then it also came with a little card. Oh, I think this is like Hari Raya. It has a moon and stars. This is definitely a Hari Raya card. I've already spoiled the box. The box is super deceiving, and that's because of the shape of this item. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the item. Some of you may have already guessed it, but I am so excited, okay? Oh, here we go, here we go. Ah! I got myself the Nice BB. I have been so obsessed with this. Talked about it in my updated wish list. I want to display it right here, okay? And I'm all about my background right now, but really, honestly, I do want to use this. I have been obsessed. Where is my little, oh, here we go. This Naraya bag is the catalyst for me to really consider this Nice BB. I have been using this for a few months now and I love it. The opening, the seeing of all your makeup items is so convenient. People, I used to use those pouches, you know, like sort of like the Toiletry 26, that kind of longish but thin where you have to like dig the stuff. But this, when you open, you see everything inside. It's so good. If you love makeup, you'll know what I mean. After being so obsessed about this, and then on Instagram, there are so many people showing this, and I was watching, I don't know who, I can't remember. Anyway, so many people have this. A lot of people use it as a bag, but honestly, it's a little bit way too big for a bag. It is preferably a toiletry. It's that wipeable interior. It's got this zip. I don't know if I'll actually use this, the zip section here, but I love it. Okay, now I want to show you this item that was sent to me. This is from Zumoni. Look at how it is packed. It is perfect. It's got the Zumoni. There's a card inside. And in the middle, this section here is detachable. So if I wanted it to be, you know, without it, I could take this out. This is such a great piece for this bag. So I'm going to quickly just put it inside. Let me just take this out. Look at that, you can actually take it out. Ah, that is so freaking clever. And you can adjust it, like if you have something that's a bit broader here, you can move it up and down. So good. It comes with this little case, and this is for lipsticks if I'm not mistaken. So let's put that inside. I definitely will use a bag organizer just to keep its shape. And let's put that inside. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Look at that. It's gonna keep the shape, and I really want to use it. So anyway, if you're gonna follow me on my next Get Ready With Me video, I am definitely going to be putting my makeup items inside. Let's put my... So excited. You know, this is like makeup lover and luxury all in one. Yeah, you know, my Tatcha, it sticks out at the top a little bit. Oh, it closes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, why don't I just put stuff inside first? Look at me, I'm so organized. What? Just quickly zip it up. Look. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be irritating and I'm going to tie a twirly here just because we want to keep the vachette or vachetta as white as possible, or as clean as possible, as my dirty hands. But yeah, I think I will tie. Do you think I should tie a twirly there? I don't know. But another wishlist item in the bag. And oh, can we just display it right here? How does that look? That looks so good. I'm obsessed, okay? I'm obsessed with decorating my background. I want to put like things, but I want to keep like the green as clean as possible, but little things on my table. That's so cute, right? That's so cute. I hope you enjoyed today's really rambly video and unboxing of my brand new niece BB. I am so excited. So excited. You will see this follow turn up more and more, especially in my Get Ready With Me videos. I love it so much. So anyway, if you have any questions about it, if you want me to review it in the future, let me know in the comment section down below. Otherwise, you guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell as well. Otherwise, everybody take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!